Man starts walking from the point minus 3, 4 and touches x-axis at some point r. Then he turns to reach the point q02. Point q02 will be on y-axis. The man is walking at constant speed, and if he reaches the point q in minimum time. Now remember, if the person is walking at constant speed, minimum time will also mean minimum distance, right? So then we have to find the value of this quantity, 50 into PR square plus RQ square. So first let us draw the diagram and then see how we can minimize the total distance traveled. The person is starting at point minus 3, 4. He has to touch x-axis at some point and then he has to reach at point Q02. So where this point R will lie, so that the total distance travel will be minimum. And then finally we need to calculate 50 into PR square plus RQ square. So first let us draw the diagram. Here the point is given in second quadrant. So let us draw x-axis here. This one is y-axis, and here we have x-axis. This point is, let us say, minus 3, 4. This point is P minus 3, 4. And point Q is somewhere here. This is point Q02. These are our coordinate axes. This one is x and this vertical line is y-axis. Now, the person has to start at point P and he has to reach at point Q, and he also has to touch the x-axis at some point R. Now, there are different options here. I mean, there are infinite number of ways of moving from point P to Q and touching x-axis at some point, right? The person can touch x-axis here or here, anywhere it can touch x-axis, and then the person has to reach at point Q. So let us draw one general diagram. That suppose this is our point R, and let us say coordinate of R is alpha 0. So basically the problem is that where this point R should lie on x-axis, so that PR plus RQ, that is minimum, right? The total distance traveled by the person should be minimum. Then only the time will be minimum because the person is moving at constant speed. So in these type of problem, the key concept is that you take image of any one of these 2 points, either point P or point Q, in the line which the person has to touch, right? The person has to touch x-axis at some point. So let us take image of point P in x-axis, and let us say this point is P dash. X coordinate will be minus 3 and y coordinate will be minus 4. Now, if P dash is the image of point P in x-axis, then the length PR and P dash R, these two distances will be equal. So the actual problem is we have to make PR plus RQ minimum, but PR is same as P dash R. So now instead of making PR plus RQ minimum, we'll make P dash R plus RQ. This one we have to minimize, right? Because these two distances will be same. And now you can very easily see that if P dash R plus RQ, that is minimum, then these 3 points must be collinear, right? Point R can be anywhere on x-axis. So if the point R is here, right? If this is point R alpha 0, then the total distance traveled by the person from point P to Q, that will be minimum, because the least value of PR plus RQ, P dash R plus RQ, that will be nothing but P dash Q when point R is here, right? So the required point R, this will be the point of intersection of x-axis and this line P dash Q, right? So from there we can very easily get the coordinate of alpha, and then we need to calculate this one. So there are different ways in which you can find alpha. One of the easiest method will be that because these 3 points are collinear, they will have same slope. That means slope of P dash R is same as slope of P dash Q. Slope of P dash R, this will be 0 minus minus 4, that divided by alpha plus 3. And this will be same as slope of P dash Q because the 3 points are on same straight line. So slope of P dash Q, that will be 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 3. So this is 2. So from here you can clearly see that alpha will become, alpha plus 3 will be 2. So alpha will be minus 1. That means coordinate of point R, this will be minus 1, 0. Right? This is the required point, minus 1, 0. And now we need to find this thing. we need to find 50 into PR square plus RQ square. So 50 into and PR, right? So point P is minus 3, 4 and R is this one. So this will become 4 square plus another 2 square. So that will be 20 and RQ that will be 1 square plus 2 square. So that will be 5. So 50 into 25, so that will be 1250, and that should be the correct answer for this problem, right? So this was again a very interesting problem, and whenever you have 2 points on same side of a line and you have to move from point P to Q, touching this x-axis at some point, then instead of making PR plus RQ minimum, take image of point either P or Q in x-axis, and then the required point will be point of intersection of P dash Q with x-axis, right? So from there we got coordinate of R, and once we have coordinate of R, then we need to calculate 50 into PR square plus RQ square. So finally, the right answer for this problem will be 1250.